Today I quickly want to talk to you about the Ring video doorbell. You've likely seen these all over the place, but I figured I'd do a quick little review to let you know my thoughts. Number one, love the fact these have really, really high quality HD video. It is 1080p HD, so anything that you need to see that's going on outside your place, you can easily see it. Very, very, very easy to hear anyone or see anyone from your phone, from your tablet, from your computer, anything that is hooked up to your Ring device. It does have really good motion detection as well, so you can see if someone's dropping off a package. And it's also good if you are dealing with package thieves in the neighborhood. Very easy to set up, which I love. I love this black version as well. I think it comes in silver and black. Very, very sleek looking, which is cool. Inconspicuous looking, especially if you have dark paint on the outside of your house, which I dig. And just works and connects to Wi-Fi very easily. So all around, if you're looking for a good home security device, would highly recommend the Ring doorbell.